Geometry. Welcome to Unit 2, Number 3, covering translations on the coordinate plane. So again, just diving in further into this Unit 2, again, still focused on these congruence transformations, right? So we're at the congruence transformations stage of this unit. Again, we will get to triangles later. Okay, so number 3 here, we're going to focus on translations on the coordinate plane. Last video we did, so this is video number 3, sorry, get ahead of myself. So video number 3, last video we did reflections, and this video number 3 we're doing translations on the coordinate plane. Okay, still trying to keep my handwriting good for all the viewers out there who want to actually see what I'm doing. All right, so translations on the coordinate plane. This is going to be a rather short video. We're actually going to do an example to try to illustrate this. So for example, we're going to translate triangle ABC. So we're going to translate triangle ABC. 3 units left and 5 units up and 5 units up. Okay, and let's do the original picture. So they would give you, we're going to give you a picture. Okay, so if you could trace this or graph this with me. So I'm going to go 5 in every direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to label A. So this again would be given to you. And I'll change this. So this is all given to you. So A for this problem is right there. So I'm going to list the coordinates out right here. So A is at 0, -2. And then B is going to be here. So this is A, this is B, and B will be at 2, 0. And then C is at 3, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right at the bottom here. And there's C. So 3, -5. So here's the original triangle that they would give you. Okay, so that's all the setup. All right. So now our job is to do the translation, right? And again, I'm going to change colors. If you look here at the original problem, so the translation says we want to move 3 units left and 5 units up. So left affects the X direction and up affects the Y direction. So here's what's going to happen. We're going to take all of our original points, X and Y, and to the X, we're going to subtract 3. I'm not going to close the parenthesis there. We're going to subtract 3. And then to the Y, we're going to add 5 because we're going up. And this is how we're going to get our new coordinates. So if you take a look here, and I'll do it right up here. All right, so for A, we're going to call it A prime for our image. We're going to take the pre-image coordinates and subtract 3 from the X, so 0 minus 3 is -3. We're going to take the Y and add 5, -2 plus 5 is 3. That is where A prime is going to be located. We'll do the same thing for B's coordinates to get B prime. We're going to take 2 and subtract 3. 2 minus 3 is -1. We're going to take 0 and add 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. And then to get C prime's coordinates, we're going to take C at 3 and subtract 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. We're going to take the Y of -5 and add 5, which is 0. And here are the new coordinates of our image. And now we're going to graph these on the coordinate plane. And you're going to see that if we actually go 3 left and 5 up, which is what I'll do. So here's A. Go 3 left and 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is A prime, we do get at the point negative 3, 3. If I take B and go 3 to the left and 5 up, I get B prime right there at negative 1, 5, which is what it told me here. And if I take C and move 3 left, 1, 2, 3, so I'm on the y-axis and go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I land at the origin, and that is going to be C prime. And if I connect those dots, and then I always like to shade that in, the final one. You don't have to, but I like to. This is a translation. Now, my picture's not perfect, right? But if it was done perfectly, the triangle ABC, the pre-image, and triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, the image should look congruent. Same size, same shape. Preserve length, preserve angle, measure. All right, great. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the practice assignment.